results out of Colour in Your Life?
Oh gosh, yes. I mean, there's so many people I wouldn't have met without it.
Oh, great.
And yeah, it's sort of made me feel more professional, I think.
Yeah.
Sort of, it gives me kudos too when talking to galleries or anything like that. I feel I've gained a lot from it.
In the beginning, it was a bit difficult to get it going, but now that we've been so well established, and you obviously know that you're going to the moon with what's
I know that.
which is
That's
pretty amazing.
Fantastic.
So, we'll all be up there in a million years' time. Age won't make any difference then.
No, it won't, will it? It'll be lovely.
Not at all. So in saying that, would you recommend other people to go on to Colour in Your Life?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, the results actually, because now you're so widely spread, the results are probably much quicker. It took a while for them to come to me. You know, it was slow at first, but gradually more and more people came and still come, which is what I love about it. It's just ongoing. And I think you've done a wonderful job with it, Graham. And I hope you're feeling okay and you're going to keep going at it. Even if you can't get around too much,
I'm doing my best, but it's all we can do these days.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? All anybody can do, actually. But you've set up a wonderful experience for artists to connect all over the world, and that is really something, I think.
Yeah, thank you very
quite
much.
Unique.
That's excellent.